Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you download Netflix on PC and laptop. To download Netflix on PC and laptop, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So what you could do is you could actually use a web version as well. So to use a web version, you could go to your web browser, and on the web address bar, you want to type in www.netflix.com. So once you're taken to this page, you could actually go ahead and log in, and you could explore the same feature as per the and then you could go ahead and get started. Now likewise, if you want to get an application, then you could actually go ahead and get it from the Microsoft Store. Open up your Microsoft Store, and then you could see this sort of page. So once it loads up, what you could do is you could simply go ahead and click on apps from the left hand side corner of your screen, and on the search box you want to type in Netflix. Once you locate the following application that you are looking for, you want to simply go ahead and click on the install button. So you want to open it up first of all, and here you have the install button. You can press that and you'll have successfully installed the Netflix onto your laptop or PC. That's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.